Okay, and welcome to a walking tour of the Briza Beach and Resort in Khao Lak. I'll just fire over here just to give you an idea of the layout. Okay, so there's two sides. There's the Andaman Sea side, which is the beach side, and then across this little street here is the other side of the hotel. It's low season at the moment. I've just been speaking to reception. Oh, by the way, if you like these kind of walk through videos, please do like and subscribe. It helps with the YouTube algorithm and it lets more people discover the video. Okay, I'll just walk you through. So prices for June, low season. Low season can be weather-wise a bit hit and miss, but today is absolutely scorching, beautiful. Been here for about 3 weeks now, and the weather's been either pouring down or blistering sunshine, but the temperature has been perfect. So second and third floor are currently priced at 1,500. The swim up pool area, sorry, 1,200 for the upstairs, and the third and second floor, 1,500 for what I suppose what you'd call the swim up pool area. Okay, and there's two sides to it. There's there, there we go, overall view. On the other side, I'll just take my flip flops off so I can walk up these steps. There we go. Looks relatively quiet at the moment. As I say, it's low season, so I wouldn't expect it to be really busy. Okay, so we'll cross back over the road again, up through reception. And into the Andaman side, the beach side. If you can hear squeaking, it's my flip-flops. So up there you can walk through reception. There's no point in taking you up there. I'm just going to walk underneath it. There you go, that's the reception. And it does have a little mini mart across the road, which is kind of there-ish. There you go. Closed at the minute, so I can't tell you anything about it, other than it opens in the morning about 9ish and shuts around about 5 o'clock-ish. So reception have told me. But it's midday now, it's about 2:30 and it's closed, so it might just be closed for lunch. The back of the rooms here. I'm going to take these flip-flops off, they're making such a racket. Here we have the restaurant, buffet restaurant for breakfast. Yeah, again, you can probably hear drilling and banging going on. Most of the hotels this time of year doing renovation work. Here we go. All these are being renovated at the moment. They're low season, so it makes complete sense to get the work done while they can. Looks like they're doing staff training here, so I'll leave them to it. Rooms on this side, I think she said, start from around about 2,500 for the upper rooms, and slightly more expensive again for the downstairs, I suppose you could call them pool access rooms. Looks very clean. Very, what the word is, clean. Main pool. Not much going on in the way of shade here. A lot of the hotels leave the trees up, so I'll give you plenty of shade. Around the pool area doesn't seem to be a great deal of shade going on. This in summer would be hot. I think would be an understatement. Hello. Little bar. Got the snap bag going. Hello. Hot. Very hot today.
Little hot, little hot.
Little hot, little hot. Quick look at the menu here. Drinks. Hello. Just look at the moment, thank you very much. And tell me something, girl. Plenty of options. Are you happy in this modern world? Cocktails. Or do you need more? Thank you. Couple car, thank you, thank you. Okay, let's have a little walk over to the beach. So directly behind the hotel there are a good selection of, well, sorry, a good selection, a small selection of bars, shops, restaurants, 7-Eleven type places, massage type places. So if you need to pick up any general supplies, there is stuff available. And then onto the beach. The beach here is beautiful. It really is. You've got a lovely headland there. It really does give it that island feel. So in respect of location, this hotel has got it spot on. I think this is where they do outside catering during the high season. Premium sea view rooms, massage, and then all the way back to the other side of the beach, and that goes on for quite a way. Okay, just a quick back view of the whole resort. If you do like this kind of content, please do like and subscribe. I'll leave that with you, and that's all for today's tour. Thank you.